glad you could join me again for another video, keeping you abreast of what is taking place with Paper Puzzle. We will be reissuing the second edition of Paper Puzzle on June the 12th. In order to commemorate the reissue under the second edition of Paper Puzzle, we are hosting a contest, a Kindle giveaway contest, where we'll give away a Kindle to some lucky subscriber who goes onto the website www.paperpuzzle.net, purchase a copy of the paperback Paper Puzzle. We'll send you an autographed copy of that, and also, if you would, before you leave the site, go and click on the registration button, register your email address for paperpuzzle.net, and that registration will give you an opportunity to be a lucky winner, possibly of a Kindle. Now, the Kindle is the $139 value. We'll also download Paper Puzzle as your first download on your Kindle, which is a $9.99 value. So essentially, by purchasing a softcover copy of Paper Puzzle, which will be autographed, by the way, you will be receiving for $25 a $150 value. Now, there will also be two other prizes given away to some lucky reader of Paper Puzzle. We will also, the second prize will be a download to the sequel, a follow-up to Paper Puzzle, which is the working title right now is White Whiskey. That will tie up all the loose ends in Paper Puzzle and give you another thrilling legal journey through the legal and political and criminal entanglements of the law in Middle Georgia. It's a very fascinating story. The third prize finish will be a collection of essays that I've been working on entitled Essays on Racism in the Obama Era. So we'll give you a free download to that if you're the third place finisher. The most important thing to remember, that when you go onto the site www.paperpuzzle.net and register, once you make your purchase, you have to register. Now, when you register, it'll do a couple of things for you. You'll be able to follow my activities and the activities of Paper Puzzle. There'll be a number of conferences that we'll be attending this year. We're going to host some conferences also, because what happened with this second edition is I bought back the rights, my publishing rights, from the original publisher, and I will form a publishing company called the Cascade House Publishing Company, whereby I will begin to not only publish my works, but the works of much of this young talent of artists who have communicated with me over the past couple of years, asking for ideas and suggestions and advice in the terms of how they could get that work into print. So we'll be sponsoring workshops for writers, for young writers and older writers, or middle-aged writers, or mature writers. Anybody who wants to write, we'll be sponsoring workshops this year. So it'll let you know about those things, and my book signings and book readings and all the activities that will be taking place with me in Paper Puzzle. You can follow those at www.paperpuzzle.net. Now, I'm a very cordial person. I really get to know all of my friends through social media. So many of you, I know you personally. So please don't compromise my integrity on this contest. I'm showing no favoritism. All the names go into the hat, and the three lucky email addresses, those are the winners. So with that, the most important thing is, whether you buy the book or not, if you see me out in the city or see me out throughout the country, make sure you come up and shake my hand and say hello. And the most important thing is to always go read. Look forward to seeing you around the city, around the country. Take care now. Bye.